how to set up a hammock, the hammock itself and your ropes. And you need 2 pieces of 3 meters rope, and then you're going to find 2 trees. The trees must be around 2 meters apart. But you'll want to find 2 pieces of sticks. That's so cool, man. Alright, today we want to see how to set up a hammock by your own. The only 2 things that you need to have with you is the hammock itself and your ropes. They all come together. They're different models, they're different styles, but they work all the same. And I'm going to teach you today how to set up this hammock thing by your own in the nature. So be with me and bear with me whilst I teach you how to do it. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take out your rope. This is very important. You need 2 pieces of 3 meters rope or more. It depends on yourself. And then you're going to find 2 trees. I found mine here. Okay, I found my 2 trees over here. These are, the distance must be something like this. The trees must be around 2 meters apart. So the next thing you're going to do is you want to wrap your ropes around the tree. And then there's a simple knot. Just like this. You see, you've got your rope wrapped around the tree. And then what you're going to do is the next thing is that you want to find 2 pieces of sticks. You see, I found this on the ground, and if I look further, yeah, there you go. I have my other piece. You need 2 sticks. What you're going to do with these sticks is that when you have your knots ready, you will just put them inside your knot. I'm going to show you how. And voila, you've got yourself a hammock. And now I'm so confident about the knot and setup that I'm going to just sit on it. so that you can see. You see, it carries my lift easily without any hiccups, and I can also sleep in it. That's so cool, man. It's so relaxing. Okay. Oh my God, it's so good. So now again, mine is a very small hammock, but you can get one of those like tent hammocks, the ones that have nets on it and everything. And they're like good for 2 people. But I say this works for me, and get whatever works for you. The setup is very easy. Do not be intimidated with that. And the very cool thing about this is that when I want to take it apart, now you can see I am sleeping on it, and all the weight has been put on the knots over there. So the knots should be very tightened. But the cool thing is that it wouldn't, because of the system, because of the clever idea behind the stick and the knot. It does not stick. The knot does not get tightened, and it would be really easy to take it apart. Let me just show you. As you can see, the hammock is sitting on top of the knot, not the stick itself. So all the pressure is going on the knot. And the clever thing about this is that when I take out the stick, I have my knot open just like that. And as easy as that. This is so clever, man. I don't know. Dude, this is so clever. This is so good, so cool. So this was the hammock setup. I hope you've learned something today. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you use it a lot in the nature. And that was it. That was how to set up a hammock. So please, if you feel it was useful for you, give the video a thumbs up. And also do not forget to subscribe, because I'm going to put tutorial video every single week about so many different stuff. That's it. That was today's video. Be safe, be nice, and see you in the next one.